Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. This protects you and the circuit. Once the power is off, crouch at door level and inspect the cover. Look for screws, snap clips, or a thin seam where a pry tool fits. Use a cloth to protect painted surfaces and insert a plastic pry tool or small flathead gently into the seam. Apply steady, even pressure while you look for the first clip releasing. When you feel movement, shift along the edge to free the rest of the cover. Once the edge lifts, identify whether screws or clips remain securing the plate. If you see screws, choose the correct driver and turn slowly to avoid stripping. Keep hardware in a small, labeled container so reassembly is simple. If clips hold the cover, press the release tab firmly while levering the opposite side outward to unclip sequentially. For modern video doorbells, you may need to remove a small camera bezel, follow markings, hinge the module out, then support internal wires before fully removing the cover. After freeing all fasteners, gently pull the cover straight away from the wall while supporting the inner unit. This prevents stress on wires. If a connector is present, depress its clip and slide it out. Label or photograph the wiring so you reattach correctly. Inspect the mounting plate for damage and tighten or replace any loose screws before putting the cover back. If the cover refuses to move, try a targeted penetrating lubricant on clip areas. Wait a few minutes. Then retry. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.